Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice. Thank you for joining in today's video. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how I shave my face. Don't be afraid. I have been shaving my face now for probably about 20 years or so. I started in my 20s. So the reason I started shaving my face in my 20s was because I had little baby hairs, like the little fine blonde baby hairs coming in. And so I would just shave my face, and it wasn't like necessarily my whole face. I would shave like my upper lip and the sides of my cheeks here. Then the dermaplaning pen, the tool, this thing. This one I got from Sephora, and it is a pretty sharp blade right there. I also have these little ones here as well. So these are less expensive. So I got these off Amazon. It came 3 to a pack, and this one I haven't used in a while since I got my Sephora one, but this is the pack it comes in, and it's called Tinkle. And you can get them on Amazon. I'll link them below for you guys. But the whole reason I shave my face now is because it helps to get off all the dead skin cells, because I use tretinoin, and that helps kind of turn over your skin cells faster. And so quite often I do have not dry skin, but just flaky skin from the tretinoin. I don't know if you guys can see it right now on my forehead. I'm not really sure. But it's pretty bad at the moment because, oh my gosh, my makeup. Anyway, I'm taking my makeup off. So yes, so the whole reason I started doing it was to get the dead skin off and my hair on my face. Well, that's why I do it now anyway. Initially, it was to just get the hair off my face. Now it is to get all the dead skin off and the hair. Plus, I find when I do this that my makeup goes on so much nicer, and it's just, I don't know, it's like a clean slate for any product you're going to put on also. So yeah, if this sounds interesting to you guys and you want to hang out, I would really appreciate it. So let's get started. Okay, so the tools you're going to need are I have this one. This is just my Venus razor. I've had this one forever. This one has 5 blades on it. I'll link something similar below. I don't know if they still sell this exact same one. And then I'm going to use my stacked skincare blade, and I'm just gonna wash my face. So I have my makeup on from the day, and to take off my makeup, I'm just gonna use my CeraVe. I use this all the time. And then after that, I will use my Bioderma just to get off any residual makeup. And I will use my face halo with my Bioderma to do that. All right, so I'm gonna wash my face. And I always wash my face with warm water. I never use hot water unless it's an accident and I accidentally do that. But it's warm water. It's never hot, never cold. I'm, you know, just lukewarm. So I take my cleanser and I rub it in, and I get it into a nice lather. I don't just go right in and put it on my face. So I get it into a nice lather with the water, and then I start washing. So when I put it on my face, it looks like that. And I should have put my hair up in a bun, because now my hair is gonna get in my face, but that's okay. So I concentrate in the middle, as well as like the outsides of my face like this, and then I concentrate on my lashes to get that off. And my nose, because a lot of the elements and our oils sit on the nose, and that can be how we get blackheads. So, okay, so I washed my face, and during this process, you want your face to be as wet as possible, just so the razors go through easier. So I'm going to put some of my Bioderma onto my face halo, and I'm just going to make sure I've gotten off all my makeup. I do this every night, by the way. I think I've shown it in a couple of my other videos. The side, it's not dirty. It's just, I've used it so much that, I mean, it's kind of dirty. I used it yesterday and I rinsed off the makeup, but it didn't all come off. So using the other side. Okay. So that makeup was still on my face even after cleansing it. So that's why I always do this. I just take, you know, take some micellar water, my face halo, and just try to get off the residual. And the next thing, you're going to need a shaving cream or a light lotion. I just use a light lotion. I don't own shaving cream. I'm just going to use my Jobii Marin, the milk. And again, you want to make sure your face stays wet during this process. And I always wet my razor also ahead of time. Just let that sit for a moment. And I'm going to put a couple pumps of my lotion on and just put that all over my face. And we'll have to re-dampen our face as we go, but you guys will get the idea. Okay, so all you're going to do is take a mirror, you know, or look into your big mirror. I'm gonna take this little mirror here, and you wanna make sure you get all the hair off your face. The last thing you want to do is shave any little bit of your hair. So just make sure you get all the hair off your face and your neck. You don't wanna have any hair left that you can potentially shave. So I'm going to get my razor wet again. I'm just gonna go in with this razor first, and then I'm going to place it like right there. I don't know, I hope it doesn't keep going out of focus. And then you're just going to bring it down, just like you're shaving your legs. And then start over. And then I usually go by my chin. And I'll show you how much stuff is on here. And then once I get to here, just start there and go down gently. I think I got a little piece of hair somewhere, but so that is all the junk that was on my face. I mean, obviously a little bit of it is the lotion, but a lot of it is the little baby hairs that I have too. So I'm gonna actually wet my face because it feels a little dry. And like I said, you want to keep it damp. And then for above my lip, I just kind of make that like that. And that's it. And then as far as the forehead goes, so the forehead is when I go in with my stacked razor because it's more precise. So I'm just gonna wet that. I don't know that you really have to wet it, but I'm just gonna wet it. And then you just, again, make sure all your hair is off your face. And then you're just going to go in downward motions, very gently. And whatever you do, do not get your eyebrows either, or your eyes for that matter. Just always be careful around your eyes and your ears and your nose and your mouth. So yeah, and you can already see just by me doing just that little bit, you can already see the stuff on there. And I know I have some skin on there too, because when I did my makeup this morning, I could see that I had a lot of flaky skin from my tretinoin, so this will help my makeup go on much better tomorrow morning. And yeah, you just be careful, and then I'm gonna rinse some of that off. And then I don't normally do this part down my nose because it's kind of hard to get, but you could. I mean, I'll do it for you guys. Just be careful around the eyes again. And then the sides can be tricky. You just, you know, kind of point the pen the easiest way you can find. And then same with this side. I can hear it getting all those little hairs, like trimming them all. And then I will just go ahead and keep using this and get any little areas I may have missed. I'm usually pretty good at this now, but oops, sorry guys. But yeah, I'll just get any areas I missed. And yeah, so again, you just want to be careful. And see, there's even more on there still. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, you just want to be careful, and that's all there is to it, really. And then I just go ahead and I'll give my face another quick rinse. And then just pat it a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and put on my lotion. I'll just put more of this on. I don't usually put on my tretinoin the nights I shave my face, because for me, I just feel like it would be too, I feel like my face is in a sensitive state at this point. So I just put on my light lotion now, and then before I go to bed, I will put on my eye cream and a little bit thicker of a cream, just because my skin is, I could tell it was dry today. So, but yeah, you guys, that's about it. And then the next day, your makeup should go on really nice. And I usually shave my face maybe once every couple months, so it's not like it's an everyday or every week thing. But you know, everybody's different. You guys might have hair that grows in more than mine, or faster, or thicker, and so yeah, it's totally whatever you think is necessary. Just again, be careful when you're doing it. I will link everything below. I'll link my stacked by that I got at Sephora, but you can buy it I think at Nordstrom and on Amazon. But this was $75. It does, you do have to buy refills, which I have. And then these, the Tinkle ones, these, I think you can get a 2-pack of 3. So you get a total of 6 for, I think it was around $5. It was really cheap. And a lot of people say that they don't really like to use the cheaper ones and to invest in the more expensive. But to me, I don't really notice a difference. So do whatever your budget, do whatever you can do with your budget. So, all right guys, thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.